What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to rough wire a kitchen for LED under cabinet lighting. So let's start here with the control area. We have power going to be taken from a 20 amp for the switch down here that's actually going to turn the lights on and off. So if we follow the cable down here to underneath the cabinetry where the sink is going to be, it's the perfect place for us to put our box. Because it's closest to the sink, it's going to be GFI protected, so that's fine. And this pulls very, very minimum, maybe 2 amps, if that, at its max. And we have our brown cables, which are our low side. So the white wire is going to turn the driver on and off, and the brown cables, which in this case splits into 2 because it's going to the island, and I'll show you that in a second, will power the actual LED lighting. So we have our wires coming up. Back down here, we're going to have an out for a corner cabinet here, which is going to span the wall around here. And if we follow the wire down here, we have another upper right around here, and we have a crossover for the stove and another outlet here for another upper coming around there. Now for the island, I was saying the second wire follows along here all the way down, and it's coming up through the floor right here, which is going to illuminate the overhang. It's going to look really good when it's done. I can't wait to see the cabinetry put in and see how we're going to get these lights to maximize the work efficiency, or whatever you want to call it. So that's how you wire for under cabinet lighting in the rough stage. I'll see if I can make a video on how to wire the driver up once the cabinetry is installed. So stay tuned. If you have any electrical questions, follow us on Facebook. We're at Belvedere Electric. That's electric with a QUE at the end for French. And you can give us, find us online at belvder.com. Thank you.